cool but a pecan. Thick bitch Puerto Rican. Take you out to Paraguay or California for the weekend. I'm with Sack and Juvie, so you gotta bring about 3 friends. Don't flex, don't pretend. You know we spin the pen.
So I am back with another DIY video. I hope you guys are enjoying these. As you can tell by the title, I'm going to be turning these shorts here into a darker black. You know, everybody literally has that one pair of jeans in their closet that is fading, and yeah, it's hard for me to find shorts, so I was just like, let me just revamp these up. So let's get straight into the video. Okay, so now for the first step, I'm just going to rinse my shorts in some cold water, and then I'm just going to drain that all out, and then we're going to start filling up the sink with some hot water. So I'm rinsing with cold water, filling the sink with hot water. I didn't do it necessarily halfway, like almost halfway, I guess you could do. And then we're gonna just get a pot next, and then we're gonna fill that up with some water and boil that as well. So here I'm just putting some dishwashing soap in the water, about, I think probably like a teaspoon, tablespoon, I don't know, I'm not measuring. So yeah, I just put that in there, and then I'm going to add half a cup of salt as well. So it can be any type of little sea salt that you got laying around. You want to pour that in there. I stirred that up a bit, and then we're going to get our dye and put it in there. So I'm using, oh, also before we get to the dye, I'm speeding up. So, you know, pour the hot water in there once it comes to a boil. Then we're going to get the dye. So I'm using the red black dye. I got this at Walmart. Not sure how much it is, but I'll leave a link down below as well. And then we're just going to stir that up. I did pour the entire thing in there, and then pour some water in there as well, just so I can get all the dye out. You know, we got to use our money words, okay? So yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and dip the shorts in there, and then I'm just pretty much just stirring the shorts, y'all. It's super easy, super easy. So yeah. So I went ahead and let the shorts sit in the water for like 5 minutes, and then as y'all can see, I'm about to show y'all, you know, what it's looking like. So it's super black now, like super black. It's nothing faded looking, you know. I'm super happy. You know, your girl don't gotta buy, you know, some new shorts. So, you know, now I'm finna just go ahead and squeeze all that dye out. Make sure you're wearing gloves, because I'm stupid and I didn't wear gloves and I got dye all over my hands. But I'm rinsing this out with cold water. And then now I just decided to grab, you know, some jeans too, because I was like, I got a little too excited, you know. I was like, let me just throw these in there too. They're a little dingy looking. So I also let those sit in there for like 5 minutes after stirring it up. And then I'm just letting the cold water sit in the other sink and just run through the shorts. So I went ahead and just put the pants and the shorts in the bag, so I want to make a mess. Now I'm just going to go ahead and put it in the washer, and we're going to just put this on cold water and let it rinse. I'm not like putting any detergent or anything like that, so I'm doing quick wash, 25 minutes, and I'm putting it on cold water, and then we're just going to start it. Alright, so it's all done. So this is how the shorts did turn out. Super jet black, exactly how I wanted it to be. No more buying, you know, new pants or new shorts if I don't need to. If you guys did like this DIY video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Leave a comment below as well. And don't forget to subscribe.